Crisis hit Kingfisher has confirmed that their lockout will continue till the 12th of October in the light of the staff strike, as engineers and pilots have been protesting the non-payment of salaries since March of this year. However, even as that announcement went out, there was a pointed lack of mention of a tragedy that had taken place earlier in the day. The wife of an employee of the troubled airlines committed suicide on Thursday. The suicide note found in her southwest Delhi home said that her husband had not been paid for the last 6 months. She is also understood to have been battling depression and was found hanging from the ceiling by her neighbours and rushed to a local hospital. She didn't survive.
We are standing right outside the residence of the Kingfisher employee whose wife committed suicide in the afternoon. You can see over there, this is the residential area where Manas Chakravarti, who is a store manager in the engineering department, lives. His wife had in fact hung herself to death this afternoon. The suicide note that was recovered from the house shows a shocking story. In fact, Manas Chakravarti's wife wrote in her suicide note that apparently her husband was not getting paid for the past 6 months, because of which there was deep financial crisis in the household. And she also wrote in her letter that for the past 1 year there had been a lot of expenses that the family had in fact borne, and due to the financial crisis, because her husband was not getting the salary for the past 6 months, she was not able to bear the expenses, and that was the reason why she was committing suicide. We are standing outside the residential area. We are not being allowed in at the moment, but then this is a symptom of the financial crisis that the airlines is also seeing, and amongst its employees also we've seen that they have been protesting over the past few days, and now one among them has faced a personal tragedy. His wife in fact killed herself this afternoon and wrote in her suicide note that because of the financial problem she had to take her own life. With camera person N. Ravi in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for Retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.